Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ports and getting necessary adapters. This prevents dead ends. Once you have cables, power off monitors and plug each into the GPU or laptop ports, making sure connectors click. Boot Windows 11 and sign in so the system can detect displays. You do this first because detection and driver initialization only happen after Windows is running. It saves time and avoids repeated reconnects. Make sure power and input sources on each monitor match the cable you used. You open Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display to let Windows enumerate screens. Click Detect if one is missing. Once both appear, drag the numbered rectangles so they mirror your physical layout. This prevents the mouse from jumping unexpectedly. Set the monitor you want for taskbar and new Windows as primary. Then, adjust scale and resolution independently to keep text sharp and consistent. You do these alignment steps because mismatched layout or scaling causes productivity friction and cursor confusion. You choose Extend or Duplicate under multiple displays depending on your workflow. Extend gives extra desktop space, Duplicate mirrors content. Next, confirm refresh rate and color profile in advanced display settings so motion is fluid and colors match. Save layout and open apps across screens to verify. If something fails, swap cables and ports to isolate the issue, update GPU drivers, and test one monitor at a time. That troubleshooting sequence finds hardware versus software faults quickly and gets you back to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.